Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, All About Me, we will learn about action words. So, open up page number 11 and let's get started. First of all, let us look at the pictures under the heading Action Words. The first picture says that I am playing football. What is the boy doing in the first picture? He is playing football. Now look at the second picture. It says that I am running in the park. What is the boy doing? He is running in the park. Okay, now let's look at the third picture. It says that I am sleeping. Now, what is the boy doing here? He is sleeping. The next picture says that I am eating ice cream. The boy here is eating ice cream. Now let's look at the last picture. It says that I am drinking water. So, what is the boy doing in this picture? He is drinking water. So, did you see the highlighted words in blue? These words like running, playing, eating, sleeping, and drinking are called action words. We can use action words to describe actions that are being done. Now that you know what are the action words, let's do an activity. Can you think of some more action words? Make a list. For example, I wrote a word cleaning. Cleaning is an action word. Now, try to write at least 5 to 10 more action words in your list and write them on a loose sheet.